Are you exploring DTF printing but don't want to invest in a brand new industrial machine right away? Converting an existing printer into a DTF printer can be a smart, cost-effective way to start. But beware, not every printer can be converted. Choose the wrong one, and you'll just waste time and money. The secret to a successful DTF conversion lies in the Printhead technology. Most successful setups require Epson micro-piezo heads because they handle thick DTF ink perfectly. Thinking about using an HP or Canon printer? Think twice. Their thermal printheads easily clog or burn when using DTF inks, making them highly unstable. So, what are the best printers to convert? Epson is the undeniable go-to choice. Models like the Epson L1800 and R1390 are the industry standards for DIY, offering 5-star stability with an estimated conversion cost of $600 to $900. If you run a small studio, the Epson L805 is a fantastic entry-level option, costing around $400 to $600 to convert. To start your conversion, you'll need a specialized kit. This includes a continuous ink supply system to replace your old cartridges, a new capping station, specialized DTF inks including white ink, DTF film, and AquaRip software to manage the color layout. It takes patience, tech skills, and deep cleaning to get it right. Here is the bottom line. Should you convert or buy? Converting is a great low-risk entry for testing the waters. However, you are entirely on your own if something goes wrong. If you want to run a serious business or print high volumes, investing in a professional DTF printer is the smarter choice. At Winnerjet, we provide professional DTF printers, vibrant inks, premium powder, and films, all tested for perfect compatibility. Ready to upgrade your printing business? Ready to upgrade your printing business? Or contact us today for a free sample and bulk quote.